Hello, my name is Pierre, and today I will show you how to use the Debt Avalanche and Snowball Calculator spreadsheet for Google Sheets. There are two tabs, one to list all your debts and another to view your payment schedule. In the first tab, you must choose which reimbursement method you prefer to use between the Snowball and Avalanche methods. You only need to click on this little arrow and then you can choose Avalanche or Snowball method. Now, all you have to do is fill in the information about your debts, such as their name, their balance, their minimum payment, and their interest rate. You will then be able to see the order in which you need to repay your debts, depending on the method you have chosen. In the second tab, you must enter the date on which you start repaying your debts and also your currency. If you wish, you can define an additional monthly payment and also a starting payment. Here you have all the payment amounts, and also you can see when your debts will be completely repaid. Thank you very much for your attention. All the links are in the description. When you buy the product, you also receive a PDF with all the detailed indications. Thank you very much and goodbye.